Before buying CloudDevs, there are 7 key things you need to know. Whether you're a business owner looking for quality development teams or a startup in need of tech talent, CloudDevs offers a unique approach. But is it the right solution for you? Stick around till the end and I'll walk you through everything you need to consider before jumping in. First off, CloudDevs prides itself on providing highly vetted developers who work exclusively with companies in North America, Europe, and Australia. What sets them apart from competitors like TopTal or Upwork is their claim of a rigorous vetting process. CloudDevs guarantees that every developer has at least 5 years of experience and passes their multi-stage technical assessment. But is that enough to guarantee success for your project? I'll explain. Next thing to note is CloudDevs' pricing structure. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but it offers competitive rates for the high level of talent it provides. Compared to more traditional agencies, you might find that CloudDevs delivers more flexibility, but also expect to pay a premium for their carefully selected experts. If you're used to platforms with freelancers who charge on an hourly basis, CloudDevs works on a monthly retainer model, so keep that in mind for budgeting. The third thing you should understand is the time to hire. CloudDevs is efficient in matching you with developers, but there's still a process. Typically, it can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks to find the right match for your project. This is something you should keep in mind if you're on a tight timeline. Unlike platforms where you can post a job and immediately hire freelancers, CloudDevs focuses on getting you the right long-term talent, not just filling a short-term role. Now let's talk about project management. Unlike other platforms, CloudDevs offers a hands-on approach to managing your development team. You get a dedicated project manager who oversees the work of the developers and ensures deadlines are met. For businesses looking for a streamlined process, this is a huge advantage over competitors like Fiverr or Freelancer, where you often have to manage the project yourself or rely on limited communication tools. Next thing to consider is the talent pool. CloudDevs offers a range of expertise from front-end to back-end development, as well as mobile app and full-stack developers. But unlike other platforms where you can find developers for nearly any tech stack or skill set, CloudDevs is more selective. They focus on delivering top-tier developers for specific industries, so if you're looking for something more niche, it might be harder to find an exact match. The fifth thing to be aware of is scalability. CloudDevs is great if you're looking to scale your team with highly qualified professionals, but it's not necessarily a good fit for businesses that need to quickly ramp up with multiple low-cost developers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are more suited to businesses in need of rapid scaling with budget-conscious options. If you're growing your team over time and want to maintain quality, CloudDevs could be a better long-term solution. The sixth thing is the flexibility of contracts. CloudDevs operates on a monthly retainer model, which gives you flexibility but also comes with an expectation of commitment. If you're not ready for that, or if your project needs are very short-term, other platforms with hourly rates may be a better fit for your budget and timeline. Finally, CloudDevs offers a free trial to new users. This is one of the standout features that makes CloudDevs appealing compared to other software that lock you into contracts from the get-go. If you're unsure whether CloudDevs will work for your team, trying it out for free can give you a risk-free way to test their service and see how well their developers match your project needs. So if you want to try out CloudDevs and see what it can do for you, click the first link in the description below to get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this chance to experience their top-tier developers without the commitment right away.